Topic we learn Microsoft PowerPoint shortcut keys with how to use Microsoft PowerPoint shortcut keys. Start with shortcut key and its explanation. First, slide number plus enter. It is used to jump to the desired slide during a slideshow. Shift plus Alt plus T or D. It allows to open the date and time window to insert the current date and time. Ctrl plus A. It provides users the option to select all items like the text in a text box and objects in a slide. In slide shutter view, it is used to select all slides. Ctrl plus B. Its use is to copy the selected text, including other objects in the slide. It can also be done by pressing Ctrl plus Insert. Ctrl plus D. It is used to create a copy of the selected slide. Ctrl plus E. It enables you to align the line or selected text to the center of the slide. Ctrl plus F. It provides the users option to find or search content in the file. Now Ctrl plus H. It is mostly used to replace a word or sentence in the file and in slideshow. It is also used to hide the cursor or any activated tools like the pen or a highlighter tool. Ctrl plus I. It allows you to add or remove italics to the selected text. Ctrl plus J. It enables you to justify, means align your text evenly across the slide, the selected text. Ctrl plus K. It offers an option to insert a hyperlink. Ctrl plus L. Its use is to align the content or selected line to the left side of the slide. Now Ctrl plus M. It is used to insert the new or a blank slide just below the selected slide. Ctrl plus N. It enables you to create a new or blank file in another PowerPoint window. Ctrl plus O. It is used to open the dialog box or page where you can select a file that you want to open. You can also use Alt plus Ctrl plus F2 to open a file. Ctrl plus P. It provides users with the option to open the print preview page to print the file. Ctrl plus R. It moves the text or selected paragraph to the right side of the slide. Ctrl plus S. It allows you to save the open file. You can also use the Shift plus F12 to save a file. Ctrl plus T. It is used to open the font window where you can adjust the font style, size, style, type, etc. Ctrl plus U. It enables the users to add or remove an underline from the selected content. Ctrl plus V. It is used to paste the copied text, slides and other objects in the file. Ctrl plus W. It enables you to close the currently open document. Ctrl plus X. It allows you to cut the selected item. Ctrl plus Y. Its use is to repeat the last performed action. Ctrl plus Z. It is used to undo, means get back, the deleted text, slide and other objects. Shift plus F3. It allows you to the users to change the selected into uppercase or lowercase and can be used to change the first letter of a word into a capital letter. Shift plus 5 F5. It helps to start the slide or show from selected slide. Shift plus F7. It is used to check the thesaurus of the selected word. Shift plus F9. Its use is to show or hide the grid on the slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. B. It is used to change the display to black during slideshow, and again press B to get back to the slideshow. 1. It is used to open the help menu, and in the slideshow view, its use is to display the slideshow help window that provides a list of shortcuts for use in a slideshow. F5. It allows the user to view the slideshow of all the slides. F7. It provides the user's benefit checking grammar and spelling to the selected word. F12. It allows you to use the Save As option, in which you can save a file with a new name. Ctrl plus F1. It is used to show or hide the ribbon. Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than. It is used to increase the font size of the selected text. It can also be done by pressing Ctrl plus right square bracket. Ctrl plus Shift plus greater less than. It is used to decrease the font size of the selected text. It can also be done by pressing Ctrl plus left square bracket. Ctrl plus Shift plus equal sign. It helps users to change the selected text into a subscript. For example, plain text subscript x2 inch x square. Ctrl plus spacebar. It allows you to change the selected text to the default font size and type. Ctrl plus home. Its use is to move the cursor to the first slide. Ctrl plus end. It is used to move the cursor to the last slide. Ctrl plus backspace. It will delete the word to the left or cursor. Ctrl plus delete. It will delete the word to the left of the cursor. Alt plus NP. It enables you to insert a picture in your file. You need to press Alt and N keys together, then press P. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like and share.